So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a YouTube video here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, I have my example video right here. So if I were to go ahead and play it, it's just a basic video that you guys can get through InShot here. But if you wanted to turn this into a YouTube video or format it better for YouTube, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the clip you want to do that to. On this bar right above it where it says canvas, press on that. Now where it says ratio, just scroll down to where you see the YouTube icon right here, or 16:9. So what this will actually do is, if you were to go ahead and check this off, it'll actually make this video in the same shape, or the format, I guess, the dimensions for a YouTube video. So if you were to go ahead and play this, and if you were to go to download it and upload it, there won't be any of the black bars, etc. It'll be good for YouTube. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make a YouTube video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.